A hearty good morning to all. Page number 35, exercise number A. Complete this table with the correct forms of the adjectives. In this exercise, some adjectives are given in the positive degree column. We have to give the comparative degree and the superlative degree of these adjectives and fill them in their respective columns. So let's work out. Number 1. Young, younger, youngest. Number 2. Sensible, more sensible, most sensible. Number 3. Tasty, tastier, tastiest. Number 4. Humble, humbler, humblest. Number 5. Friendly, friendlier, friendliest. Number 6. Polite, politer, politest. Number 7. High, higher, highest. Number 8. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Number 9. Urgent, more urgent, most urgent. Number 10. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Page number 35, exercise number B. Complete these sentences by using the correct forms of the words in brackets. In this exercise, some adjectives are given in brackets. We have to use the correct form of the words which are given in brackets to complete the sentences. So let's work out. Number 1. Ravi is better at tennis than Shakur. Number 2. This essay is the worst of the 6. Number 3. The hedge is higher than the wall. Number 4. My writing is more untidy than yours. Number 5. This emerald ring is more valuable than that one. Number 6. Usha is the oldest of them all. Number 7. This bag is more expensive than the one I bought. Number 8. Anita's work is neater than Vimla's. Page number 36, exercise number C. Complete the second sentences using as, blank, as, and the word in brackets. The second sentence must convey the same meaning as the first. In this exercise, we will use the word as, then the bracket word, then next as to complete the sentence. I hope it is very easy for you to do it. So let's work out. Number 1. Riaz and Alice scored 8 points in the quiz. Riaz did as well as Alice in the quiz. Number 2. Mother and father are 38 years of age. Father is as old as mother. Number 3. The temperature has been at 40 degrees both yesterday and today. Today is as hot as yesterday. Number 4. Kapil went to bed at 8 o'clock. Hanif went to bed later than that. Hanif didn't go to bed as early as Kapil. Number 5. I can throw a ball farther than you. You can't throw a ball as far as me. Page number 36, exercise number D. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the words in the box. In this exercise, some words are given in the blue box. We have to give the correct form of these words to complete the sentences. So let's work out. Number 1. I scored 63% in the test. You scored 78%. You did better than me. Number 2. We both finished the swimming race at the same time. You swam as fast as I did. Number 3. Sheila gets up at 7 o'clock. Leela gets up at 7:30. Sheila gets up earlier than Leela. Number 4. This sofa is quite comfortable. The other one is not as comfortable. This sofa is more comfortable than the other one. Number 5. Michael works hard. Peter doesn't work hard. Michael works harder than Peter. Number 6. This mushroom soup is delicious. I have never had a soup that was more delicious. This is the most delicious soup I have ever had. Page number 37, exercise number E. Correct these sentences. In this exercise, some errors are there. We have to correct the sentences. If the sentence is already correct, means if it is the correct sentence, we will put a tick mark at the end of the sentence. If the sentence is incorrect, we will correct it. So let's work out. Number 1. Which river is the longer in Africa? Cut longer and write longest. We got the sentence. Which river is the longest in Africa? Number 2. Although Uncle is a faster runner, he missed the bus. This sentence is correct. So put tick mark at the end of the sentence. Number 3. The crow dropped pebbles into the pitcher until the water level was higher than it was before. Cut high and write higher. We got the sentence. The crow dropped pebbles into the pitcher until the water level was higher than it was before. Number 4. Sanjay wishes he had a newest bicycle. Cut newest and write new or newer. We got the sentence. Sanjay wishes he had a new or newer bicycle. Number 5. Sarah is a best singer than Elizabeth. Cut best and write better. So we got the sentence, Sarah is a better singer than Elizabeth. Number 6. That is the more exciting film I have ever seen. This sentence is correct. So put a tick mark at the end of the sentence. Number 7. Your sister is older than your brother, but she is shortest than he is. Cut old and write older. Cut shortest and write shorter. So we got the sentence. Your sister is older than your brother, but she is shorter than he is. Number 8. The weather is bright today than it was yesterday. Cut bright and write brighter. We got the sentence. The weather is brighter today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was brightest but not as brighter as today. Cut brightest and write bright. Cut brighter and write bright. So we got the sentence. Yesterday was bright but not as bright as today. Page number 37, exercise number F. Rewrite these sentences using a different degree of comparison. Make sure that the meaning does not change. Use the clues for help. In this exercise, we have to follow the first sentence in each number. Then use a different degree of comparison to complete the second sentence, but the meaning of both the sentences would be the same. So let's work out. Number 1. I prefer tea to coffee. I think that tea is better than coffee. Number 2. Mumbai has the best public transport in the country. No other city in the country has better public transport than Mumbai. Number 3. There are more girls in section B than in section A. Section A has the most number of girls between the two sections. Number 4. Of the two brothers, the elder is not so hardworking as the younger. The younger brother is more hardworking than the elder one. Number 5. It is less noisy in the villages than it is in cities. Cities are noisier than the villages. Number 6. The world has not seen a better batsman than Don Bradman of Australia. Don Bradman of Australia is the best batsman this world has ever seen. Number 7. There is no river in India which is as long as the Ganges. The Ganges is the longest river in India. Number 8. No book is as useful as a dictionary. A dictionary is the most useful book. Page number 38, exercise number G. Look at the table and complete the passage using the adjectives in brackets in the correct degree of comparison. In this exercise, we will use the correct degree of comparison of the bracket word to complete the sentence. We can take the help from the given table. So let's work out. The concertina from Austria, priced at rupees 4,500, was the most expensive. It was also the largest and heaviest model, but we found it to be of the best quality. The Japanese hummingbird was lighter and smaller than the concertina model. It also looked more elegant than the concertina, but its performance was not quite as good. The typewriter from Hong Kong was similar to the hummingbird in size and weight, but its performance was much poorer. However, it cost less than the hummingbird. The Lady Light from Taiwan at rupees 1700 was the cheapest of the four models. It was also the smallest and the lightest, weighing 500 gram less than the typewriter. As far as quality is concerned, it performed better than the typewriter, but not as well as the hummingbird or the concertina. Thank you.